Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm back with another amazing university. It's Ohio State University, commonly known as Ohio State or OSU. Now, before I begin this video, I have something very interesting to share with you. I have started my podcast, Living Extraordinary, where I talk about strategies and tools to build an extraordinary life, irrespective of wherever you are in the life stage. Make sure to check out my podcast videos and help me grow the show so more people can live their best life, a life that they always want to live. So watch those videos here on the same channel under Living Extraordinary Podcast. Also, as always, I have this most amazing profile evaluation tool for you. So make sure to evaluate your profile by heading to the link mentioned in the description box and get your profile evaluated for free. Now for this video, I will give you an in-depth view of the university and will decode the three aspects: academic, social and financial with my star ratings. And then I will offer you most important tips and strategies to get into this university. So make sure to listen closely as I'll be sharing the most amazing strategies to get into this university. Alright, now let's hit it up for Ohio State University. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Ohio State University is a public land-grant research university in Columbus, Ohio. Founded in 1870 as a state's land-grant university and the 9th university in Ohio with the Morrill Act of 1862. Past and present alumni and faculty includes 5 Nobel Prize laureates, 9 Rhodes Scholars, 7 Churchill Scholars, 1 Fields Medalist, 7 Pulitzer Prize winner, 64 Goldwater Scholars, 6 US Senators and 15 US Representatives, full with star power. It is classified among R1 doctoral university, which is very high research activity. The main campus is located in Columbus, Ohio. Now, Columbus is a vibrant town. It is the second largest city in the country and 32nd largest in the world. The city was named for Italian explorer Christopher Columbus. There are many amazing historic places to visit and explore as a student. It lands on 1,700 acres in the middle of the city, just 2 miles north of downtown Columbus. One part of the campus maintains a historical architecture while another is relatively modern. The grounds are nicely landscaped and a centrally located lake provides a peaceful setting for contemplation and the break from all the surrounding activities. The Recreation and Physical Activities Center is the nation's largest facility dedicated to student fitness, wellness, and recreation. The most popular majors at Ohio State University include psychology, finance, communication, biology, business, engineering, neuroscience, and dance. Although I'm not a big fan of judging a university solely on the basis of rankings, but Ohio State is consistently placed into top 100 schools nationally as well as globally for some of its famous courses. Alright, now let's move on to our next section, talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. Well, academics are competitive here. Students are generally willing to work together and help each other in courses that they share. OSU offers about 300 programs in undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral level. Some of the school's most celebrated departments include business, engineering, neuroscience, dance and design, political science, and education. They are very strong as well. The university's commitment to liberal art learning means all undergraduate must satisfy rigorous general education requirements that include courses in math, writing, foreign language, social science, natural science, and arts and humanities. There are no such general education requirements for postgraduate students though. The majors that enroll the most students include psychology, finance, communication, and biology. A personalized study program enables students to create their own major at Ohio, which is great. The Ohio State Linguistic Department was recently ranked among the top 10 programs nationally and top 20 internationally by QS World University Rankings. Ohio State has a great portfolio when it comes to research as well. Almost half of the students and faculty get an opportunity to do research, and graduates participate in research opportunities. OSU provides great internship opportunities with the state government, Fortune 500 companies, and major tech and research organizations, including IBM Analytics Solution Lab and Battle. They have a lot of study abroad options as well. The faculty at OSU is great and competent. Most have their own research going on, so mostly TAs are involved in teaching freshman classes. But teaching assistants hold smaller recitation sections of large lecture courses and deal on personal level with students as well. The class size at OSU is average to large. 22% of all classes have more than 50 students. Class size generally whittle down as students continue with this field of study. But the class size is always small when it comes to PG students, except few of the classes which can go higher. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate Ohio State with 4 stars on academic difficulty and quality level, where 5 is the highest level. After academic fit, let's move to social fit. Now, social life happens in college, but only for students who make it happen. There is a lot you can do on and off campus. In addition to the usual shopping centers, restaurants, golf courses, and movie theaters, Columbus boasts a symphony orchestra, a ballet, a professional hockey and soccer teams. OSU DTICS program offers students discounted or free tickets to cultural and sporting events as well. OSU has over 1,000 registered student organizations that involve many thousands of students. You'll find athletic clubs, performing art groups, cultural organization, and everything in between. So it's humongous. The city's central location in the state makes it easily accessible to Cleveland and Cincinnati. Outdoor enthusiasts can ski in nearby Mansfield, canoe and sail on the rivers, and hike in city's 19 metro parks or camp in nearby Hocking Hills. OSU has large 61,000 students with about 47,000 as undergrad and remaining as PGs and PhD. The university has about 11% student body as international. Housing is good at OSU. The residence halls, which house 32% of Ohio State masses, are located in 3 areas: North, South, and Olentangy, that is the closest to the Olentangy River. The accommodation are adequate and sometimes excellent depending on the age of the building. Most postgraduates stay off campus in near campus apartments at affordable prices. The food at OSU is fantastic as well. With such a large student market, of course, OSU has everything: fast food joints, convenience stores, bookstores, vegetarian restaurants, and downtown Columbus is just a few minutes away. Ohio State competes as a member in Big Ten Conference for the majority of its sports. It has produced 108 Olympic medalists so far, which is amazing. The Buckeye fields 16 men's, 17 women's, and 3 co-ed varsity teams from golf to gymnastics to riflery. On top of that, women's synchronized swimming, men's volleyball, and men's pistol, and the school has claimed about 18 conference championships in the last couple of years. Football is somewhat like religion here. Ohio State offers competitive academic and good social life as well. I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on the quality of life at Ohio. Now let's look at financial fit. OSU falls in an affordable to average school category. The expenditure is up to $35,000 to $40,000 US in annual tuition expenses without scholarships. Housing is about $12,000 to $18,000 for most. Now, as far as financial aid is concerned, the university has a lot of scholarship options. Qualified students compete in merit scholarship averaging about $7,000, and hundreds of athletic scholarships go to talented athletes each year. So it offers great scholarship for both undergraduate, postgraduate. So I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on financial fit. Now, after exploring this fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to get admission in this university and triple your chances of admission. The ideas I'm going to share now come from my decade-long experience working with students for career and college admission and helping them with the personalized applications as well. Now, admission to Ohio State evaluates each applicant holistically. They don't select applicants based on any single criteria. All criteria are whole person, and the acceptance rate last year was about 68%. According to Ohio State, they are looking for students whose application demonstrates that they are prepared for the academic rigor of the Ohio State classroom, who are willing to lead, who see strength in diversity of people and ideas, who seek collaboration when solving problems, and who make use of all opportunities to figure out what kind of impact they want to have in the world. To figure out the right fit students, they go through various things in your profile, starting with preparedness for a course, with your high school or college performance, including participation in accelerated programs like honors programs and all. They do not have minimum requirement for class rank or GPA, but they do need to see the standardized tests like ACT, SAT, GMAT, GRE. An important update though is Ohio State has opted for test optional policy for the next intake applicants. And if you're watching this video after a gap of a year or 2, make sure to check whether it is still test optional or not. OSU believes in preparing its students to be leaders and engaged citizens. So make sure to have co-curriculars that demonstrate leadership or engaged involvement. Having leadership experience in your profile will come in handy, and make sure to talk about it in your application. Along with this, OSU values demonstration of outstanding talent in a particular area. Well, this is what I call depth, which means committed effort in one area and doing better than most people. Now, this could be your chosen field of academics or sports or music or anything else. What matters is your long-term commitment and results in that area. In your applications, talk about diversity and innovation. Maybe what you have experienced or what do you want to do. Also, Ohio State strongly believes in attending to the well-being of individuals and communities. So having care and compassion towards community will surely come in handy for admission. For this, show your involvement in community service and an attitude to nurture a community of kindness and gratitude. Talk about these character traits and why they are important to you. The Ohio State also requires all international students to present English proficiency through IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE. Now for deadlines. For admission, Ohio State offers 2 deadlines for undergraduate students. That is early action, which is around November 1st of the preceding year. Another is regular decision, which is February 1st. You can apply through Common Application Portal. For postgraduate courses, they have again individual department deadlines with either 1 or 2 deadlines between September to about March every year. Transfer applications are also welcome depending upon the availability and the course of choice. Well, in the end, to conclude, if you're an academically strong student, hardworking, okay with intense workload, social, interested in research, and a good leader, Ohio State is for you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Remember to complete your profile evaluation as discussed in the beginning of the video and get your personalized report for free. Also, make sure to watch my podcast videos Living Extraordinary here on this channel. I will see you very shortly. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Bye-bye.